people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. And today, as you can tell by the title, I'm trying Fenty skin products for the first time. So the reason why I decided to try this is because my best friend uses it, and I can see the difference in her face. And then I went onto Fenty skin page and seeing all the face transformations. I mean, my skin is not that bad, but since this whole mask wearing, we have to wear masks now, this area right here has been dry, has been breaking out. I already have like freckles and moles, but like, see right in here, we have dark spots and some breakouts over here on this side, and I can just feel them. It's been up here too, even though a mask don't go up there, but my face hasn't been getting the proper, I guess, cleansing or the right products, because usually I use Mary Kay, and since this whole quarantine, I could have just ordered it online, but I used to get it from one of my clients, so I just would get stuff from the store like Biore or some other facial products, and my face hasn't been quite right. So I am trying Fenty skin, and I'm excited to try it. I got the sample pack just to try it out to see how I like it. And on the Fenty page, this doggone fat water is all the rage, okay? So because it's a 2-in-1 serum and toner, I'm like, all right, Rihanna, you better do it, girl. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be trying today. And yeah, we're gonna see how this works. So let's get started. All right, so first things first, we have to protect the hair. So of course, put on my shower cap. And I'm gonna take off the earrings and the glasses. Okay, so first thing is the Hydro Visor Invisible. Oh no, that's not it. That's moisturizer. The Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. So the good thing about this one is it's a makeup remover too. So, my face feels wonderful. I have a cooling feeling. And I also forgot to mention that I have, I guess, oversized pores, larger pores on my, this T area right here. And this is supposed to be a pore minimizer as well. Man, you just got everything. But look in here. My face does feel nice and clean. So all right. Step 1 done. Step 2. All right. So step 2 is the fat water, and for this, because it's a toner and a serum. Usually toners you need a cotton pad for, but for this, you don't need a cotton pad because it's like a serum too. So it's not supposed to be really watery. Oh no, it's not like watery. It's like a serum. So So far, so good, girl. And then, last but not least, Invisible Moisturizer. Come on. Hello. Oh, there we go. And you know how they say, a little goes a long way. Now I can say my face feels wonderful. It feels like it's clean. It feels like it's moisturized. And yeah, my face feels good. I'm just like, I'm feeling it. And for me being on the older side, I'm not in my 20s, I'm not in my 30s, okay? So that's why I usually use Mary Kay. But Mary Kay is not just for older people, it's for everybody. But anywho, this feels good. I'm gonna come back and give an update in about a month just to see where my skin is. But like I said, like, I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but I have big pores here and right here and right here. And like I said, these breakouts, oh, they be gone, okay? So, that's it, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Thumbs up if you like my reaction. Comment, have you used Fenty before? What is your take on Fenty? And are you thinking about using Fenty? And yeah, if you are thinking about it, try that $40 trial kit, starter kit. So yes. So alright, folks. So I will see you on the next one.